Ever wondered what a $3 million motorhome looks like? Well, imagine stepping inside a private jet, leather walls, custom lighting, marble counters, and then realize you're in a moving vehicle on the highway. Because this isn't just a camper. It's called the Element Palazzo Superior, and it's one of the most expensive, extravagant motorhomes ever built. This beast costs $3 million, and every inch of it screams ultra wealth. It's 45 feet long, fully custom built, and powered by a 500 horsepower Volvo engine. But that's just the beginning. The interior? Straight out of a Bond villain's dream. It features a sky lounge that rises hydraulically from the roof. Yes, a literal rooftop terrace that lifts into the air. Inside, there's a living room with a curved widescreen TV, heated floors, a rainfall shower, a king-size bed, and even an onboard wine cellar. The cockpit alone looks like it came from a spaceship: leather captain's chairs, touchscreen controls, and a panoramic windshield that wraps around like an aircraft's. And just in case you're wondering, yes, it has its own garage inside. You can roll out a sports car from the back like a Bond escape plan. Now hold on. If this kind of unapologetic luxury excites you, even just a little, hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is your front row seat to the world's most outrageous pleasures. Private jets, secret islands, $10,000 a night suites. Every week, we go deeper into the fantasy. Back to the Palazzo. This motorhome is made by Marquis Mobile, an Austrian company that designs luxury vehicles for royals, CEOs, and billionaires who want to live and drive differently. Only a handful of these exist in the world. And they're not sold through dealerships. Buyers are hand-selected, and customization can take over a year, depending on the level of insanity you request. The goal isn't just comfort. It's dominance. It's the message that you can go anywhere in the world without sacrificing a single indulgence. Because for $3 million, the road should feel like first class. And in this machine, it does.